I'm traveling down another one of these highways, presently on Highway 777 here in lovely Alberta, just west of Westlock. And as you can see, the roads aren't very good. Certainly can't do the actual speed limit. But I've just taken this video as a little reference anyway. I might post it, might not. We'll see what happens. It's kind of just to show people what the road conditions are like. Anyway, that's all for now. Just a quickie to show you what we're battling here. Have a great day, everyone. Take care. Stay safe. And keep the greasy side down, as they say. Bye for now.